The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate a fiber-reinforced composite with bare fibers exposed on the surface without any surface treatment.
This technique can expose bare fibers on a composite surface without the use of expensive and inefficient surface treatments.
The main advantage of this technique is that it improves the electrical conductivity and mechanical strength of the composite. This technique also has high productivity.
To prepare unidirectional carbon fiber fabric, pre-impregnated with epoxy, stack squares of pre-preg with a fiber volume fraction of 50 to 60% in a sequence including 0° and 90° orientations to avoid splitting of the laminate. To prepare each square of pre-preg plain weave carbon fiber fabric, first cleanse the fabric with acetone or ethanol. Place the fabric on a clean surface or on a lint-free laboratory wipe and allow the acetone to evaporate under ambient conditions. Peel off one backing of a sheet of film-type epoxy resin with a curing temperature of 125°C. Apply a single sheet of epoxy resin film to the clean carbon fabric. Place the fabric epoxy side down on a hot plate at 70°C. Heat the fabric for 10 seconds to pre-impregnate the fabric with epoxy. Allow the pre-preg fabric to cool under ambient conditions for 10 minutes. Then, remove the remaining backing sheet from the epoxy-coated side. Stack the plain weave pre-preg fabric in the desired stacking sequence to form the plain weave carbon fiber fabric laminate. To prepare non-woven carbon fiber felt laminate, apply triple-layered epoxy sheet to each